Luigi, would you knock it off? You sound ridiculous.
I sound ridiculous? You and your goofy chipmunk imitations. Now that's ridiculous. Oh, come on, Mario. Well, give me a break. I'm practicing for my birdie lovers meeting.
Come in. What are you doing here?
Yeah, why are you crying?
Hi, Mario and Luigi. I've lost my little puppy Ike. Have you guys seen him?
No, I don't think so, man. No, me either.
Oh, where has my little dog gone? Oh, where can he be?
Are his ears cut short?
And his tail cut long?
No, I just gave him a light trim.
No, we haven't seen him, man.
Sorry.
I'll never find my little bundle of love and affection. Never!
Oh, wait. Don't worry, Pam. We'll help you find your little wayward pooch.
Yeah, Pam, we like Ike. Dry those eyes. Don't cry.
Oh, yeah, here, go ahead. Try your eyes.
I feel better already. Oh, thank you, boys. I've always depended on the kindness of strangers. And you sure are strange enough.
Oh, Pam, what's the matter? Is your pizza cold?
No, it's fine. It's just that Ike used to love pizza. His favorite was black olive and Canadian kitten.
I see some dogs, but no puppies.
Oh, there, Pammy.
It's hopeless. I'll never find my Ike. I miss him.
Take it easy. I'll be right back. Mario Brothers Plumbing, you clog them, we clear them. Huh? Oh, gee. No, Raleigh, I didn't forget about the Birdie Lovers Club meeting this weekend. Okay, thanks for calling. Of course, I'll see you there.
You know, Luigi, if you could do dog calls the way you do bird calls, we could really help Pam.
Gee, dog calls. I wonder.
I used to call dogs all the time.
Whoa. Mario, calm down. Are you looking for a snack?
No, I'm looking for Pam's dog, Ike.
Here are some scenes from the next Legend of Zelda.
You really think that you can summon Ike by barking like a dog, Luigi?
Well, I'll tell you what, Pammy. I mean, according to Hanson's Guide to Doggy Dialogue, it says here that I will be replicating the precise barking pattern of the canine in question. See that?
Maybe you should just bark like a dog does.
Well, I'm going to do that too. Now, if this works, Pam, Ike will be here faster than pigeons to popcorn, huh?
Go do it, Luigi.
You got it. All right, stand back, give me a little room. First, I'd like to present what I call the Chihuahua. Hold on, something in my throat. I'm just starting. I got it now. Next, I'm going to do what we call your lasso opso.
Hey, Pam, what kind of a dog is Ike? I mean, we could be here all day.
Well, he's mutt, part poodle, part basset hound, a little bit of country, and a little bit of rock and roll.
Can you do mixes, Luigi?
Hey, I don't know, Mario, but give it a try, huh? All right, stand back. Here it is, my poodle basset combo.
It's Ike.
Ike, come to mommy, come baby, come here. Yes. Oh, you're a doggy genius, Luigi. You got Ike back.
It was really nothing. Always a pleasure to do something for a girl like you, Pam.
Thank you, guys. I won't forget this.
Hey, where are all those dogs?
Hey, I guess I'm a better dog caller than I realized.
Uh-oh. What are we going to do about that elephant and that horse?
What?